This is the last video of the series. Let's start playing the piano series. The last music is Sky is the Limit. This is the music. Let's see the sheet music. Why don't we play the music together? Put your both hands on C and G. You start from left hand. C, E, G. Right hand C, E, G. Right hand jumps to the high C, A, F. Left hand jump to middle C, A, F. And left hand G, B. Right hand D and big jump G, A, B. Both hand play C. Let's try one more time. Left hand C, E, G. Right hand C, E, G. Jump to the high C, A, F. Left hand C, A, F. And left hand G, B. Right hand D, G, A, B, C. Try one more time from left hand. Right hand C, left hand C, D, G, A, B, C. Congratulations! You've reached to the last class of Let's Start Playing the Piano series. Now is the time. Visit music store and purchase your favorite music, or visit online store and order it. Music makes you happier and happier. Enjoy learning music, enjoy playing the music. Today is a new day to start your music. Happy birthday!